Dear fellows, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a list of years and months. uh, for example, if we get some data from government department and we want to reorganize in in the year and the month format. So for example 1980, and then January to December, and then 81, and then January to December, and so on. So for example, if you want to make uh, a list up to 2020, and then it, if someone is interested in making an Excel, he or she can do it, but it is very time consuming. So today I have decided to do it in an hour. So first of all, this command rm will remove all the variables from workspace. So running this, and then here in this line number 4 I have defined a variable years, and then repeat 1980 to 2020. So I am interested in making the first column years from 1980, starting from 1980 to 2020, and then each will repeat 12 times because we have 12 months in a year. And then if you delete each is equal to 12, for example here years is equal to this is the operator repeat 1980 colon 2020. So for example, if you run this and then we want to print this variable years, so you see it has created a variable years from 1980 to 2020, but we want to insert a column of months from January to December. So that is why we don't need this. We need actually a year repeating 12 times. So I have added each is equal to 12. So for example, I want to print this variable so you can see 2020 is repeating 12 times. And similar to years, I have defined another variable months, repeating month dot name and only once. So if you don't add this, it will also by default it will take 1. So months, so January, February, March till June. And then in the next line we are combining these both vectors, years and months, into a data frame. So data frame operator data.frame, this is a command in R to make a data frame. So here data.frame, in the parentheses years is equal to year is equal to years, which I have defined earlier, years, and then comma month is equal to months. So it has run, and now we want to see data frame, this variable, just top 13 rows. So you can see here 1980 12 times, and then 1981, and then in the month column January to December, and then 13th row is January again, starting from 1981. And then this is the print data frame. It will print all the rows and columns starting from 1980 to 2020. So this was a way to define vectors, years and months, and then I have combined both vectors into a data frame. And if you want to save this data frame in the CSV or Excel file, so for example I want to save this into Excel file, so you have to install a package OpenXLSX. I have already installed it, but if you don't have, you need to install it once, and then I need to add a library of OpenXLSX, and then this is file path. So here where you want to save this file, and then this is the name of the file, and then this is a way to write this data frame into Excel file. So write .xlsx, and then you at first you have to define the name, for example here data frame. So this the same name which we have given here, data frame, and then file path which I have given here, and then row names false. So running this, cannot file because reason permission. It is already opened here, that is why it is giving me error. Now it has successfully run this. So let us see years and months. Now it has created a file, year, month 1980 till 2020. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if